Kheiron's mission to help doctors diagnose breast cancer much earlier and much more accurately than what's currently possible.
Within the UK, we know that we have a huge workforce crisis in the NHS, particularly in radiology, and we just can't keep up with the demand that's growing.
I used to be a consultant breast surgeon, but 4 years ago I was diagnosed with breast cancer myself, and I've become really aware of what it's like to be a patient. As a surgeon, I know that doctors are humans. We make mistakes, we get tired, we miss things. If computers can be taught to accurately read mammograms, especially from a screening purpose, it releases 50% of consultant radiologists to actually see the patients, do the scans, do the biopsies. It also improves the accuracy of the reading.
Kheiron's algorithm is a decision-making tool that will help the radiologist more accurately and more rapidly reach a diagnosis. And that's the reason we're here, because we think it can really change not just the practice of imaging, but the practice of healthcare on a global scale.
So for the last 2 years, we've been working on our first product and the technology. It's been an incredible journey so far. When I look at what this algorithm produces, it's really mind-blowing.
MIA is our first mammography product, the first piece of software across the globe that is actually fit for practical adoption and practical deployment in breast cancer screening.
Through our clinical trials, we've proven that it can perform at the level or better than what's expected of a breast screening radiologist, which is just phenomenal.
Kheiron is really providing the gold standard of automated, deep learning-based mammography diagnostics, which is incredibly exciting.
The treatment of early cancer is much more effective than late stage. You can majorly improve the potential for someone to recover.
You're saving them complex surgery in the armpit, removing the lymph nodes. You may stop them having 6 months of chemotherapy. You may stop them having radiotherapy. If your algorithms mean that one woman has her cancer picked up at an early stage, this is what you're saving her from.
We basically sit in front of our computers, we write a bit of code. In the end, there's this miracle happens that that piece of code is actually useful in practice. You bring it to a doctor, they do their job better. That means there's a lady out there who is saved. That means their children, their whole family, friend circle also have the blessing of that person being around.
What we're hoping to do with our technology is to give every cancer patient a better fighting chance. That's what matters.